uh, talk a little about this first among young children today about food. So if there's a meal time, you'll find that the child is crying just before the meal time. No, I don't want to have food, or I will have it later. And करते करते फिर पूरा दिन निकल जाता है. And the parents are after the child. The child is still fussy about the food. नहीं मुझे नहीं खाना. So why do you think
the child is fussing and how to understand, decode the whole thing? What happens is because we are anxious parents. हमें लगता है कि before the child can feel hungry, उसे feed कर दें. So what we need to understand, we need to feed without anxiety. You have to understand every child is not the same. They are all different. They have a bird's appetite. Most of the children have very small appetite. उनका है maybe you are proactively feeding when the child is not hungry. You have to respect the hunger part of the child. अगर वो hungry है, वो कैसे भी करके जो भी आप खिलाओगे at one time or the other खाएगा. But if you get a big platter कि मेरे को इतनी calories देनी है, इतना कुछ देना है कि सारा, because as parents we are anxious. तो हम अगर उन पे लेके इतना, तो child gets intimidated by big portions. What you can do is, if the child is not eating at one point, don't fuss. Leave it. I can tell you most children are not hungry, that's why they're not eating. If your child is active, so you don't have to worry कि वो खा रहा है कि नहीं, fuss कर रहा है. So next time when you feed, when the child is hungry or maybe after a few hours, you will see कि जो आप दोगे, in most likelihood वो खा लेगा. Secondly, children, if you're feeding the same kind of food, as I said, Indian, dal chawal roti, dal chawal, day in, day out, at the same lunch. So what happens? Children get bored. They are small. They need a lot of presentation variety, as I said earlier. So try to change things. It's not just the Indian food that is nutritive. So you can try different types of cuisines and try to make sense to the child, I'm sure. And plus the presentation, as I said, I want to linger a little more on that. Try making a platter instead of a simple thing, like dal roti sabzi. Put a little red, green, and then the vegetable, then make a tree and things like that. So I can tell you that the child's curiosity will take the child there. ये 2-3 चीजें भी करने से बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा. And let them just decide when they are hungry. बीच में juices नहीं देने हैं, बीच में empty calorie foods, क्योंकि उससे पेट भर जाता है. You don't understand कि child क्यों नहीं खा रहा है, लेकिन वजह बहुत सारी हो सकती हैं, छोटी-छोटी. The boredom, the fact that the child is not hungry, then the child is maybe sick, not well. So you have to respect the child's appetite. So, and you'll see the difference. And never shout them. If you show your impatience to the child at that time, you can believe it that child will be very anxious at a meal time. आराम से you eat with the child, as you said, उससे भी फर्क पड़ता है, because we have to set examples in front of children. If you say yummy, very nice, you make stories around it, see this is an aeroplane coming and things like that. Children are children, so they're going to appreciate it.